Hello friends, my friend gave this to me. It's a wireless, it's a USB wireless adapter, and it's broken. He just broke it, and he's just asked me if I could do anything with it. So what I thought of doing is this: like if I put a USB cable instead of this thing, because I cannot fix this one. So what I did, I just took a screwdriver, and you see this mark over there, this line. They just glued it together. So I just put this thing, and just while doing this, I just open it. So be careful when you open this thing, because uh, you may damage this circuit over here. So they just glued it, and I just opened the thing, and using this one I just took this circuit out, and alright, I keep it aside, and this is the main circuit. And as you can see that this one was fixed here with this four tiny little piece of pin inside this. Alright, so now it's broken. Alright, I just keep it aside. I just bought this USB cable from the local computer shop. It's not very expensive. It has got a very a very big wire. So I could have done from this, but I thought of, alright, you can use it in a desktop computer. So I just cut this thing off. I just don't need it. I need only this part. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this thing off. Gotta be careful, because this is actually not the right tool to do this. I just don't have any other things, so I use this one. Alright, I think, yeah, it's not very perfect, but it is okay. So here you go, you got some, 4 wires, and this piece of wire too. This is very important, because this thing will fix with the body, so that you get the ground working. Alright, so you got 4 piece of wires, excepting this of course. So this is red and black, green and white. So basically red and green, this is for power supply, this one is power, and this one is ground. So these are for power supply, and this white and green is for data transferring. So what we're gonna do is, generally the order comes, if you're placing the thing like this, you can see it, I hope. So the thing comes power, data, and ground. So when you're placing this thing, so the wire should be power, data, and ground. Alright, like this. So the right order will be like this: red for power, white for data, green for data, and black also for power, ground. Alright, so when you place it like this, it will come up. Here we go. It's like, I hope you can see it. Here you go. It's red for power, green, red for power, white for data, and I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. So it's gonna be like this. All right. Here you go. Red, white, green, and black. This for power, this for ground, and these two for white and green for data transfer. So what I have to do is I have to solder these things like this. All right, because it was like this. Here. So like this, and this tiny thing in to here. So you got a red, white, green, and black, and here in this part you have to solder the remaining part that is not coated. Alright, the wire that is not coated, you have to solder this. So I hope you have to use this thing, this soldering iron, and be very careful and just solder this thing, and I'll get back when I'm done.